The Scan and Smile solution from TRI guarantees the fastest and simplest implant smile in the world. With the Scan and Smile solution, you can place, scan, produce, and insert the prosthetic crown in 1 hour, which drives profitability, reduces chairside time, and enhances aesthetic clinical results. The technology behind is the Matrix, the world's first dental implant approved for fully digitally single and multi-unit restorations directly on the implant without the use of the abutment. This unique implant connection has been specifically designed for the new digital manufacturing technologies such as 3D printing. Let's look at an example of the Scan and Smile solution. John, our patient today, has lost a premolar tooth and wants to leave the practice after 1 hour with a 3D printed aesthetic temporary crown. Scan and Smile makes it possible. Let's start with step 1. Starting with a classical flap raise and prepare the situation for the implant placement. John will receive a multi-level matrix implant platform P45 with a diameter of 4.1 mm and a length of 13 mm. The article NR for this implant is TLM, standing for Tissue Level Implant, 41 for the diameter, 4.1, 13 for the length of the implant, and P45 for the platform, 4.5 mm. The TRI surgical procedure for the chosen implant starts with the lance drill. Followed by the long or short pilot drill. Skip the 3.3 diameter drill and proceed with the long or short 3.7 soft bone drill. Skip the 3.7 diameter dense bone drill and proceed with the long or short 4.1 soft bone drill. For very soft bone, this would be the final drill, but John has hard cortical bone, so the drill must be used for dense bone at 4 mm depth to eliminate excessive compression. To open the packaging, tear it from the bottom to the top. Take out the sterilized blister. Open the blister and simply drop the TRI pod on the surgical tray. Place your fingers on the right and left sides of the base and carefully open the lid. Insert the matrix driver into the implant, making sure that the 3 nuts of the driver fit perfectly into the 3 grooves. Gently press down to create a friction between driver and implant. Remove the implant from the TRI pod and insert the implant. The pink anodized neck of the matrix multi-level allows the implant to be placed subcrestally. Proceed on to step 2 with scanning. Screw the 3D Touch scan body hand tight onto the implant using the integrated handle and then break it off. The situation is ready to be scanned with an iOS of your choice, and a standard STL file can be created. After scanning, rotate the broken handle 180 degrees and stick it frictionally onto the 3D Touch screw head at any angle up to 45 degrees and unscrew the scan body. Now it's time for the Matrix Design Service to create the crown design for John. Visit TRI Swiss before surgery to book an appointment with the Matrix designers. The service is available 24 hours from Monday through Friday. Choose your preferred time and enter your information. Immediately after, you will receive a booking confirmation and a link to upload the STL files and enter additional information about the patient's design requirements. Now it's time to enjoy a short break and wait for the design files. Next is the production of the 3D printed temporary restoration. After receiving an email with the files from the designer, review the prosthetic design and include the STL files into your 3D printing software. Nest the crown upside down. Make sure that the screw channel and the matrix connection are exactly 90 degrees angulated to the printer platform. Select thin supports and position them on occlusion side. Make sure that no supports are touching the screw channel or matrix connection. Select your material of choice and print at 50 micron. After 3D printing, remove the prosthetic from the printer and clean the screw channel with an interdental brush. Wash the 3D printed prosthetic following the printer manufacturer's instructions. Now, dip interdental brush into the cleaning liquid and clean the screw channel. Ensure that the screw channel and the connection are completely air-dried before curing. Light cure 3D printed prosthetic following the printer manufacturer's instructions. Carefully cut or break off the supports. It is important to protect the matrix connection throughout the finishing process by screwing the prosthetic into an implant analog. Grind, polish, and finish prosthetic with standard dental tools. Moving on to our last step, insertion. Insert prosthetic screw into the crown by using the matrix screwdriver. The screw will centralize the prosthetic into the right position. Use the torque control and screw retain the prosthetic into the patient's mouth with a maximum of 20 Newton-centimeter. Seal the screw channel with composite within your standard procedure. John looks great and can leave the practice after 1 hour with a fresh smile and a crown that costs less than $1 to produce. So, let's summarize. The Scan and Smile solution is the world's fastest and simplest implant smile in the world. You can place the implant, scan, produce, and insert the crown in only 1 hour. You will benefit from more profit, higher profitability on immediate crown implant cases, 1 visit, 60 minutes to patient smile, enhance aesthetic clinical results. You do not have a 3D printer in your practice? No problem. With the Scan and Smile solution, you can benefit from a carefree delivery within 24 hours from Matrix certified labs. Start your Scan and Smile journey today and visit www.tri.swiss.